how to fix too many attempts on Telegram app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. First thing, go to the settings and then go to the apps manager and then open the apps like this. Now you have to wait a few seconds like this. It will start loading the apps that you have on your phone, and then scroll all the way down until you find Telegram. When you find it, click on this option and then go all the way down to the open by default option. Click on the open supported links in this app and then choose ask every time. After that, go back, click on the storage, click on clear cache, and now turn off the Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and then reopen Telegram, and congratulations. Don't forget to like and subscribe.